How you doing? I'm Mr. Baldwin. I teach mathematics here at Trinity. I'm also the co-chair of the math department along with Mr. Rand. And I teach calculus, pre-calculus.
My name is Jimmy Backus. I teach geography, both world geography and AP human geography. I'm also the head of the social studies department and the house director for Merton House.
Hello, I'm Chad Carpenter. I am a member of the faculty here where I teach in the math department and the physical education department, as well as an assistant football coach.
This year at Open House, we're going to talk about phyllotaxy, which is as far as how leaves are distributed in plants and the patterns that they follow mathematically. This is something I kind of stumbled upon, and we're going to do some 3D printing.
So we will be showing off some virtual reality goggles that we use to give kids tours of places around the world that we obviously couldn't go. We're also going to be playing some games. We have some teachers that have really gamified their classroom.
When you come over to the Marshall Center, you have an opportunity to take a look at our state-of-the-art strength and conditioning facility.